Welcome to FeedOps. Today I'm gonna show how basically we have now used Google Picker API and also the Adwords scope. That's the requirement. So this is the FeedOps platform. As you can see, I'm already a user. So what I'll do is I'll just go ahead and sign in with Google. Just signing in. Okay, so once we sign in, we go to the accounts overview page where I can see all the websites that I have access to. First of all, what I'll want to show you is basically how we use the AdWords scope. So when a new website is added, we ask the customers to connect their Google Merchant Center and Google Ads account. First, they will need to connect Google Merchant Center account so that we can push their 1672 items to Merchant Center. Let's go ahead and do that. So I'll first connect Google Merchant Center. You can't connect Google Ads before you have connected Google Merchant Center because the AdWords scope that we use is in relation to triggering a linking request between Merchant Center and Ads account. And in order to do that, we already need access to the Merchant Center account. So for this user, we got access to the Merchant Center account. So I'm going to go ahead and connect them. So over here, we'll just authorize the Merchant Center access. The Merchant Center is under the FeedOps bot account. So I'll just go ahead and provide access. So over here, what we do is we'll go ahead and fetch all the Merchant Center accounts that are under bot at feedops.com. Yep, let's just wait until it fetches all the accounts. Okay, as you can see, all the accounts have been loaded now. So what I'll do is I'll just go ahead and select the one that's associated with the customer, that's souls and table. Let's go ahead and find that. Okay, yep, here it is. They are selling in Singapore, so let's select that. We want to add the FeedOps feed as the primary feed and remove if there are any existing feeds. So I'll go ahead and connect Merchant Center and upload the feed that FeedOps has created. So once that's done, FeedOps will push the feed with customer's product back to Merchant Center. And now, as you can see, we can connect Google Ads as well. It's the same process. I'll go ahead and show you. Let's say we have an existing Google Ads account. So we'll do that. We'll go ahead and provide access. Again, this will do the same thing for the selected account that's given at feedops.com. It will go and try and fetch all the associated Google Ads account. As you can see, it has already done that. I don't think we have access to the customer's ads account, so I'm not gonna go ahead and connect the account as of right now. I'm just gonna go back. The other place where we use the AdWords scope is to basically show a cost and goal report for the customers who have connected Google Ads and linked their Merchant Center and Google Ads via FeedOps. Let me go ahead and find a customer who has already done that. So, yep, This is one of the customers who have already connected their Google Merchant Center and Google Ads account via FeedOps. So they have this cost and goal tool, which is now enabled. This is basically a reporting tool where we go ahead and fetch all the campaign performance based on campaign types and show it to the customer based on the date range. We can also fetch the report for different date range. This is the another part where we use the Adwords scope. uh, Let me go ahead and show you now the Google Picker API. So where we use it is basically to provide customers a one-time import, or if they want to migrate their existing product optimizations from a Google Sheet into FeedOps. So they will go to the products page, they will select Google Sheet as the import source. Once we authorize that, it will come back and it will open the Google Picker API, Google Picker dialog, sorry. So once we have the spreadsheet selected, it will go ahead and fetch the sheet within those spreadsheet. Once we select the appropriate sheet, it will go ahead and try and fetch attributes and map it to the ones within FeedOps. I'll not import them as of right now. As you can see, this is a test file that I have created, but this is the place where we use now Google Picker API. Thank you.